How to add Outlook signature. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. Click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Mail, which is located at left side. And then in Mail, click on Compose and Reply, which is the second option. In here, scroll down till you find Signature. You'll find Signature in this way. In my version, it's not available, so I'll just add a picture. As you can see, simply click on New Signature and add your signature down, and then you're good to go. This is how to add Outlook signature. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.